Welcome to our computational thinking project presentation, which is about the credit card validity problem.
Our group consists of two people, Emir and Yorick. Because we're two people, we thought it would be a better idea to start or to do everything together instead of splitting the tasks. So we wrote the code, the pseudocode, the flowchart and the comments together.
The problem that we are going to solve is the credit card validity problem. This is a problem that is used to create valid credit card numbers. We are going to write a program that can detect whether a provided credit card number is valid or not.
The algorithm we used is the Loon algorithm. It works as follows. A credit card number is between 13 and 16 digits and these numbers form a sum. Take the credit card number and remove the last digit of the number. Now reverse the order of the numbers as you can see in this example. The algorithm starts at the second to last digit and goes to the first one. This is what we did in the example. The next thing we do is we multiply the digits by 2 from the starting, which is in fact the second to last digit. Now that you have multiplied the second to last digit by 2, you can skip one digit and you multiply the next number by 2 again. Keep on doing this until you're at the first number.
If you have all the products of the numbers that are multiplied, you go on to the next step. If the number is higher than 9, so a 2-digit number, you will add up the 2 digits. So for example, if the number is 6 and you have to multiply it by 2, then the result is 12. 12 is a 2-digit number, so it consists of 1 and 2. So you add up these numbers. So 1 plus 2 equals to 3. The answer is 3, and this number is what will you use in the last sum to check if the credit card number is valid or not. If you do this for all these numbers that consist of 2 digits, you will end up with a series of numbers between 13 and 16. Now you will add up these numbers, and if the last digit of the total amount is 0, then the credit card number is valid. If it's not, then it's invalid.
The first problem that we had was that we did not understand the algorithm correctly. We thought the multiplication starts at the beginning and it would start with multiplying the numbers with index 0, 2, 4, 6 and so on until the end. We found out that this was not correct while making the actual code because we did not get the right answer, although the code did what it was supposed to do. So what we did is we learned the algorithm better and we changed the code. We added the part that the multiplication starts from the back and we made sure that the last digit would not be used in the sum.
The other problem that we have faced was when we also wanted to add the option in which the algorithm detects the brand of the card. What we did in the beginning was we wrote the code with index 1. For example, if index 1 is 4, then the brand is Visa. Since we had to reverse the card number, the brand of the card was not displayed because when the reverse function was used, the number which is in index 1 was changed. And since that number was not listed as a value equal to Visa, so in this case it wasn't 4, it didn't work.
We found out that the algorithm we were using was incorrectly, so we started with finding out how the algorithm actually works. After completely understanding the algorithm, we changed the flowchart, which means that we added the reverse function and removed the last digit of the list. We did this in the code itself as well. We also changed the pseudocode and the comments in the code. We have solved the listing the brand problem which we faced by simply changing the index 1 to 0. So if the index 0 is 4, the brand of the card is.
Here are some results from the code that we have written. In the first picture, we can see when a valid Visa card number is written, the code displays the brand as Visa and it says valid. And in the second picture, the same example can be seen, but instead of Visa, it displays a MasterCard because the number starts with a 5. On the third picture, you can see it starts with 37 and it is valid and it's displayed as American Express. And in the last picture, it starts with a 6 and it's displayed as Discover and it's valid. And here, it says the brand Visa because we told the algorithm that if the card number is between the range of 13 and 16 and if it starts with a 4, then it's a Visa card. It displays Visa. But the sum of the final list number is not equal to 0 when it's divided by 10, so it prints invalid. Here is the result of our flowchart. And here is our pseudocode.